Guys, today onwards I'm going to give the horoscope about September 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. So be concentrate and please listen, and monthly horoscopes will be in soon, and please do a favor at subscribing and going to easily get back with you, and share with the friends relative also, please. And see, coming to daily horoscope September 3rd, you are either misguided or completely out of track with some choices today, and it might take you a while to realize it. Some natives might not even get a grip with reality until it's too late. Don't be too late. Scared. I'm sorry, small little mistake. Don't be too scared, though, because you won't be losing any money or suffer actually consequences, but your pride might take a bit of hit. So this is about Capricorn daily horoscope September 3rd. Coming to the September 4th, the current disposition translates into some necessary spending for you and your family, and this can be the source of some kind and a bitter conflict if you are not careful enough. On the other hand, you can use this as an occasion to be closer to those dear to you. Some love aspects might give you a thing or two to talk with your partner as well. Fourth is completed. Coming to September 5th, at times your communication can be hard to understand, although your ideas might be very good. You are struggling to put them into a right context, and this destroys most of the ideal and the appeal. This Saturday might come with some help in this regard, perhaps some useful to feedback from someone who knows you well enough. And coming to the September 6th, the current disposition will again make you crave for new beginnings and changes in your life, but it seems that your position doesn't really allow you to get what you want. Therefore, though this whole Sunday will be spent in a haze, not really knowing what should you be doing and not really feeling capable for doing anything. So this is about third, fourth, fifth and sixth, and get back with you seventh, eighth and ninth also in soon, and monthly horoscope will be in soon, today or tomorrow. And subscribe me and forward to your friends, and don't you forget to use this mantra about Om Sri Lakshmi Narayana Swami Namaha. Capricorn people, please, Om Sri Lakshmi Narayana Swami Namaha. Chant this mantra daily. 108 is going to get the good blessings from God. Thank you.